Did you know that many students score more in MHT CET with just 1 week of focused prep than others who study for months? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Let's crack the secret sauce together. Welcome, champs. In today's video, I'm going to share a 7-day battle plan for MHT CET 2025 that's proven, practical, and pressure-proof, so tighten your seatbelts. Let me guess. You're staring at the calendar and your brain is screaming, how can I prepare for MHT CET in just 7 days? You're not alone. Thousands feel the same panic every year. Too many topics, no clear plan. Stress is through the roof. But listen carefully, it's not about how much time you have, it's about how you use it. Here's your 7-day magic plan, simple but super effective. Day 1 and 2. Revise Class 12 high-weightage topics, modern physics, electrostatics, current electricity. Day 3 and 4. Target Class 11 gold mines, kinematics, laws of motion, gravitation. Day 5. Practice only concept-based numericals from past papers. Day 6. Mock test marathon, simulate real exam conditions. Day 7. Chill a bit, revise formulae, and do a quick concept brush-up. Tip, use the Pomodoro technique, 25 mins study, 5 mins break. Your brain needs snacks too. Let me tell you the real game changer, mock tests. Not just solving them, but analyzing your mistakes. Did you know? Most students lose marks not because they didn't know the answer, but because they made silly mistakes or misunderstood the question. So after every mock test, find where you went wrong. Note the concept, revise just that, don't go back to the whole chapter. That's how you go from 60 to 90 plus. Trust me, I've seen it happen for thousands of my students. To recap, focus on important chapters. Solve smart. Mock test plus error analysis equals success. You don't need magic, just the right method. If you found this video helpful, do me a small favor, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which topic scares you the most in physics? I'll make a shortcut video on it just for you. See you in the next one. Topper in the making.